Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bread-proofing baskets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Sourdough bread-proofing basket set of 2. These baskets are designed for both professional bakers and home enthusiasts, and they come in a convenient 10-inch oval shape. Made from natural rattan that complies with EU food standards, these baskets are a budget-friendly option for those just starting their bread baking journey. You also get 2 washable liners included in the set, making cleanup easier and giving you options depending on your recipe. The build quality is decent for the price. The rattan material is lightweight and has a natural, unfinished look. While it doesn't have the polished finish of higher-end baskets, it still does the job of wicking away moisture from the dough and helping to create that signature crusty loaf. However, the baskets may require a bit more flour dusting to prevent sticking, and they aren't as splinter-free as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. Performance-wise, these baskets are great for artisan-style bread, and the 10-inch size is perfect for medium-sized loaves. They're easy to use, even for beginners, and the oval shape is ideal for shaping batards or French-style bread. However, the liners can feel a bit thin, and some users have reported needing to replace them after a few months of use. Overall, this is a solid choice for those on a budget or looking to experiment with sourdough baking without a big upfront investment. Coming in at number 4 is the Banneton bread proofing basket set, which includes 2 9-inch round baskets with liners. These baskets are a fantastic option for sourdough beginners and aspiring bakers. Made from high-quality, natural rattan cane, the baskets offer excellent airflow and moisture absorption, helping you achieve beautifully risen and textured loaves. The lightweight design makes them easy to handle, and they're simple to clean and store. The build quality is impressive for the price range. The rattan is polished, splinter-free, and has no strange odors, which is a big plus when working with food. The included liners fit well and are easy to wash. The baskets themselves are sturdy and durable, and they create those classic spiral patterns that make your bread look professionally baked. However, they lack the additional accessories, like dough scrapers or whisks, that are included with some other sets. In terms of performance, these baskets do a great job of supporting the dough during proofing and ensuring an easy release when it's time to bake. They're ideal for baking bowls and work well with various bread recipes. While they're slightly more expensive than some other options, the quality and performance make them a worthwhile investment for home bakers who want reliable results. The only downside is that they're a bit basic compared to other sets that come with more tools. At number 3, we have the EWFEN Sourdough Proofing Basket Gift Set. This is an all-in-one kit that includes both a 9-inch round and a 10-inch oval proofing basket, along with a range of essential tools like a bread lamb with 5 blades, a Danish whisk, dough scrapers, a cleaning brush, and washable linen liners. If you're looking for a complete starter kit that comes with everything you need, this is a great option. The design and build quality are excellent. Made from AA-grade natural Indonesian rattan, the baskets are smooth, splinter-free, and chemical-free, making them safe for food contact. The rattan material is durable and provides a non-stick surface for proofing dough. The additional tools included in the set are well made, and the attention to detail, like the blade cover for the bread lamb, is impressive. However, the overall weight of the set is slightly heavier than others on this list, which may make it less convenient for some users. In terms of usability, this set is incredibly versatile. The 2 shapes of baskets allow for creative bread making, and the included tools are practical and easy to use. This makes the EWFEN kit perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers who want to expand their toolset. While it's a bit more expensive than some other options, the comprehensive nature of the kit makes it a great value for anyone serious about sourdough baking. Our runner-up is the St. Germain Bakery Premium Round Bread Banneton Basket. This 9-inch basket is handcrafted with care by a small family business in Vietnam and it shows in every detail. Made from natural rattan, this basket is free from dyes and chemicals, ensuring a safe and healthy baking environment. It's designed to be splinter-free, smooth, and non-stick, making it a joy to use. The build quality is exceptional. The rattan material is tightly woven, providing excellent durability and a polished finish that stands out from the competition. The included cloth liner is high quality and fits the basket perfectly, offering added versatility for proofing different types of dough. While it's not a set, the singular focus on quality makes this a standout choice for serious bakers. In terms of performance, the Saint Germain Bakery basket delivers outstanding results. The 9-inch size is perfect for medium to large loaves, and the basket's design ensures even proofing and beautiful spiral patterns. It's also incredibly easy to clean. Just shake off the excess flour, and you're good to go. While it's slightly more expensive than other single baskets, the quality and craftsmanship justify the price. This is a fantastic choice for experienced bakers who value premium materials and performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the Roquet Bread Banneton Proofing Basket Set. This is the ultimate kit for sourdough enthusiasts, offering a 9-inch round basket and a 10-inch oval basket, along with a comprehensive set of tools. You get a dough whisk, bread lame, dough scraper, bowl scraper, and even a silicone brush, making this a true one-stop shop for bread baking. The design and quality are top-notch. Made from natural Indonesian rattan cane, the baskets are smooth, splinter-free, and non-stick. The materials are chemical-free and resistant to mold, ensuring long-lasting durability. The included tools are equally impressive, with ergonomic designs that make them easy to use. The linen liners are washable, adding to the convenience and versatility of this set. When it comes to performance, this set is hard to beat. The baskets hold up to 2 pounds of dough each, making them suitable for a wide variety of recipes. The tools included in the kit are practical and high quality, allowing you to mix, shape, and score your dough with ease. The overall value of this set is outstanding, as you're not just getting proofing baskets, but a complete toolkit for artisan bread baking. This makes it the perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned bakers looking for a comprehensive sourdough solution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.